Hello, do you hear me, guys? I hope you are hear me and you're all okay. Guys, did you hear about Cambly? Cambly course? Yes, it is the best platform for learning English with native English teacher. Let's show you how to sign up on Cambly English course. Yes, guys, this one Cambly main website, okay? So this website link I will put on my video description box, okay? And you will find this website and then click sign up. You can sign up on Apple and Google, on Facebook. It's better. You can sign on your Google. Also, you can put your email and new password from here. And I think better you can sign up on your Google. Yes, they show you your Google account, your email, your Gmail. Click here. Click here allow, and then they ask you something. Who is your account for you yourself or for your child? I'm create here for myself, so me. Continue. So they ask you again, hello, what bring you to Cambly? Choose your main goal. So you choose your goal: professional development, academic, travel, personal growth. So I create for professional development, and the next, and they ask you again, how do you feel when you speak English? Confidence, okay. Verified, it's okay. Okay, what do you want to be called? Here you type your name. So here type one of the name, very easy name. Then your teacher can call you on this name. I choose like some. So set a weekly practice goal. Okay. How many classes you take on a week? I take 2 lesson, 3 lesson, 5 lesson. I choose 2 lesson for week. Next, everything is going on good. You're all set, Sunny. Get a start. Click here. Yes, already you sign up your Cambly English course. So see here. First of all, progress. When you finish your program, you can get certificate, and you also can join on course. There are a lot of course: basic communication topic, advanced English communication, and our main goal is improve our communication skills. So you click here tutors and see a lot of tutors. They are really native English teacher. They're from England, UK, USA. They're very good English teacher. So how to connect with them? Click here call. You can talk with them. Video conversation. So I didn't finish my subscribe. I didn't pay any money. So we need to pay money. there they show monthly, subscribe, yearly, and monthly. If you click here, 85, yearly is 64, and click any one you want to choose, and then they show you how many money you need to pay here, and select anyone and select plan. Okay, wait for a few minutes, and then they show you how many money you need here, and click here or there. You will pay monthly, or click anyone you want to choose, and then last you put your MasterCard or any card, put your number, and then finish your all things. And then what you should do, and then they give you code, yes, and then you put your code here and then click apply. Everything finish, and then you can join any progress, you can join on any course easily, and you can call to any teacher here. You can see profile he's on online or offline, everything here. You can message to him, or and you can see your all messages here, and you can see your message here. You can see your notification and date and everything. You can see your profile from here, and absolutely you don't forget to subscribe here. Okay, so this how you can join on Cambly English. Great, I've said. So I hope you got all point on this video. If you have any question, you can put your question on comments. Thank you. See you again, guys. Bye bye.